We don't have to be flying and going into a hotel that we don't know who have been sleeping there. We find out that Optimize was top of the line in this area.
They were always on time, answered all of our questions. Well, we moved to a new city and new neighborhood, new house, and 6 months after we were here, our power went out for about 12 hours. We were thinking about doing a generator from the start, but that really confirmed that we wanted to do that, especially being in hurricane area. That was our main reason not to be without power.
After checking in the internet, we find out that Optimize was top of the line in this area, was the highest rated by Generac. So that means a lot. So that's the reason that we choose Generac with Optimize.
Great customer service. When we did decide to go with Optimize for the Generac, they were always on time, answered all of our questions, and we felt very comfortable with Optimize. We feel very comfortable with having backup for when electricity may go out. Also, we have a test run every week for about 5 minutes to make sure that everything is workable for whenever we would need it or should we need it. So that's a great peace of mind as well. I guess I would have to say that we can do things online. It's Wi-Fi, and we just think that's a very good feature. Well, we started out with our sales rep, of course, Cullen, and he was great. Showed up on time, worked with us on the appointment. After that, we spoke to the main office a few times, and they always addressed our questions when they came to set up the generator, again, on time, and they were just very professional. Feel very secure on knowing that if anything should happen, that we will not be without power.
And at the same time, if there is a hurricane, we don't have to be flying and going into a hotel that we don't know who have been sleeping there. And that's a peace of mind to know that at night I will be in my own bed and I will be in my own home.
Right. Never leaving home. Just that if we had a choice, we would do it again with Optimize.
Mm-hmm.